Hi, this is Mukhtar from codingmoney.com. This is a short but really important video. In this video, I'm going to share with you some of the free resources that's available out there that you can use right away to start learning coding for absolutely no cost and for free. You can access these resources from your smartphone. So if you're lazy like me and you think that getting on a computer is going to be a hassle, then you can feel free to use these resources from your mobile phone, whatever that is convenient for you. So let's get started. The first one is w3schools.com. This is the resource that I used to use a lot when I was learning to code. They're really organized. They provide you with examples and you can try it yourself. You can write the code. They provide you with the workspace. You can click on run the code and you can see the changes live on the web browser. You don't even have to, go to a code editor to try it out. So this is really nice. You can change the ski, you can change the orientation, and you can save the code. You can share it with your friends. You can save it to your Google Drive as a reference. Maybe you would need it in the future for easy access. You can find tutorials, references, examples, exercise for all these great technologies like HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, W3 CSS, Colors, JavaScript, server-side like SQL, PHP, ASP, Node.js, Raspberry Pi, in Python, Java, C++, C#, machine learning, and the list goes on. And they provide really nice, step-by-step tutorials from the basics, and it goes all the way to the advanced topics. Very neat, nice. So the second one is FreeCodeCamp.org. This is my favorite, and more than 40,000 people who have completed this curriculum have been able to get jobs at Google, Microsoft, and Amazon, all these big companies. And they're really organized. They have really made it easy and fun to learn all these technologies. They provide you with interactive learning, workspace, examples, projects, and all these different curriculum like responsive web design certifications, about 300 hours, JavaScript algorithms and data structures certifications, front-end libraries, data visualization certification, APIs, microservices, information security, and quality assurance certification, coding interview preparations. It's got thousands of hours of challenges to prepare you for your coding interview. So this is really sweet, and I can't stress enough, there's such a great resource that's available for free. You don't have to pay anything, and you can go ahead and they provide you with nice exercises and quizzes to make it easy to grasp the concepts. And you can, as you can see, they have they tell you what to do over here. Your H2 element should have a text like cat photo app. You can copy that and and then you can run the test, and they give you like a percentage to encourage you to keep on moving forward and submit and go to the next challenge. So it's a challenge-based learning. These are little challenges that they give you and you complete and you learn at the same time. They give you information about all these every step of the way. So this is really nice resources. FreeCodeCamp is my favorite. So make sure to check it out. You can start from as a beginner, you can go all the way to the advanced, and you can become an expert coder just by following this curriculum. So, and they give you a certificate at the end that you can use to present to any employer, and they have a reputation, and that will help you get a job as well. The fourth one, or the third one I should say, it is the MDN, developer.mozilla.org. It's a very good reference for all these technologies like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, graphics, HTML, APIs, and they provide you with tutorials, references, developer guides, even with information about game development. So this is really nice resource. I mean, you can use it. They provide you with tutorials. They provide you all of these elements that's in like HTML. You don't have to memorize all of these, so whenever you need something, you can come over here, you can search, they provide you with very good documentation. Like you can search for anything that you need information, like SVG or anything for that matter. You can search over here, and this is such a great resources, and it's also available for free. And if you want to learn coding in an easier format, in a very fun way, like a game, and this is a very good application that you can download on your Android mobile phones. This is it's very nice. It's, I think, developed by Google. It will help you learn the basics of JavaScript and basics of coding for beginners. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you want to get started learning coding, you can do it right away. Start with FreeCodeCamp.org or W3 Schools, and they're free. I could go ahead and create videos based on these resources, but I don't want to waste your time. So I want to give you information that is really valuable to save you time and to guide you in the right direction so that you can become a very good coder in a short amount of time. And if you want to encourage me to keep on creating videos like this, then please subscribe so that I know that I should keep on making these videos for you guys. So until next time, have a really good time. Bye.